Hello everyone, I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm so excited I get to share with you the unboxing of the LFL July 2018 card kit. Now, my box came in yesterday and this is how it arrived. It came with a nice little window in it and it was pretty well handled. You could tell here. Lizzie's kits come from the UK, so it travels a long distance. So we're going to just check out the contents together and see how it handled during its shipment here. And we're just going to open our little box here. It's taped really good. And everything inside is beautiful. Of course, Lizzie packs everything so nice and tidy and in these plastic bags. You get 2 bags. But now, had it been raining out, I'm sure the cardstock and other things would have been damaged. So that's another reason why Lizzie packs everything in plastic baggies. But we're going to take a look. You get your cardstock here. These are 8.5 by 11 inch cardstocks. You get 2 pieces of white here, a yellow, a red, and a blue. Nice little color palette so far. And then you get some specialty cardstocks. These are half of a standard US size sheet. So you get a green, a white, a pink, and like a taupe colored pearly sheen cardstock. And then these are your pattern papers. You get 12 6x6 pattern papers, and a few of them, like these here, have some glitter accents to them, which are lovely. And then I think these pattern papers are adorable. You see the little teddy bears there. Oh gosh, going to have so fun playing with that. Now you also get stripes and polka dots, a lot of fun little elements, and if you can't tell already, the theme for this month's kit is a beachy theme, which is going to be so fun to play with. Now this is extra special, guys. In this month's kit you get some decoupage sheets. Now I've did a video in the past using the decoupage. I think it was the Berry Christmas mega pack, and I absolutely loved it. So Lizzie's including some of these in this month's kit, which sold out, unfortunately. I just checked to add my links below and I realized it was sold out, guys. I'm so sorry. But for those of you who were able to get the kit, in the future I will be making a 10 card 1 kit video, so you might want to check that out. And I know add-ons are available in case you're interested. But those are your decoupage sheets, and they're going to be so... I have a plan with those, and all 9 of them actually, and so stay tuned for that. But this is your Love and Lizzie exclusive stamp set. It's actually a never-ending stamp set, which is fantastic, which means it's continuous. You could actually create a wallpaper border with it. That's how continuous it looks. But they're shells and they're beautiful. You get a 4x4 bubble stencil, and then you get some pink peel-offs here that are so pretty. And then you also get some ribbons here. These are, I believe, 1/8 of an inch thick, and they match the pattern papers just beautifully. So you get 3 of those, a green, a yellow, and an orange. And then you also get some, these are like little beach huts. You get some beach hut ribbon there. You get a sample bag of sequins, and these sequins coordinate beautifully with the palette here. And in this little goodie bag, you get 2 wood veneers. They're actually colored in, and this is against an A2 size card base, so they're the perfect size for card making. Those are going to be fun to play with. And they actually have a foam adhesive on the back. Now in this little goodie bag, you get some more wood veneers, but these are just natural colored. And you get 9 little elements that have to do with the ocean or beach. You get seashells and a little fish. You get an anchor, and then you also get 4 real itty bitty seashells that I thought was so fun. Now this was so interesting. Lizzie always throws some elements in the card kits that are so unexpected, but this is awesome. This is sand, and I think it is moldable, and it's going to be really fun to add these to projects with this card kit. So you get a bag of that, And then you also get your Nuvo Jewel Drops. These are simply white. I'm not going to open it and show you the color. They're just white opaque color, but and I have some in my stash, so I'm not going to open that bottle. But you also get 4 pieces of ephemera that coordinate beautifully with everything. And then you get some puppy stickers here. These are little banners, and they're puffy, which is really fun, and they coordinate with the colors pretty too. Now, since you get the decoupage in the kit this month, you also get, Lizi's including 2 sheets of foam squares. Now these are the perfect width for your decoupage. So when you layer, with decoupage you layer upon layer upon layer, so you need foam adhesive. And so it's nice that they're included with this kit. Now for the dies for this month, you get 2 sweet dies here. You get an ice cream cone, and then you also get a little piece of chocolate. I'm going to die cut them out. I want to show you what they look like. But that's your little chocolate piece. And then the ice cream and the cone are actually separated, which I thought was really fun. And it's actually a really nice size, too, perfect for card making. I guess you would just stick your chocolate inside the little ice cream there as a little accent. And there we have a nice little sweet treat. So this is everything that comes in this month kit. If you like what you see, most every time Lizi's kits are fully jam-packed, and I will leave links below in the description area for you for the kit subscriptions if you're interested. But again, stay tuned for the 10 cards 1 kit, and I'm going to do something extra special for this video, so keep a lookout for that. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again soon. Bye bye.